how to access Google AI mode. Okay, so what that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from the Google search, come and type in google.com/AI mode and then hit enter. It is going to bring you right here where you have the option to turn the settings on so that you have the option to use the AI mode. Okay, you can also get it from simply coming here to the search labs, and then you come and then click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here where you have the options to turn the settings on to use the AI mode. You can simply come here to where it says AI overview and more, and then under it you are going to see that we have the option to turn it on. You can come and click on this right arrow, and it's going to be open just like this one. And then when you come here to the AI overview and more, you have the options to come and then turn this button on by simply clicking on it. It's going to ask you this. They are going to ask you if you want to receive updates, emails from them. You can say yes or no. And then when you are done with it, simply come here, okay, and then come and click on the start section. So when you click on it, your Google search is automatically going to have the AI mode. But if you don't get it, when you come here to the learn more and then you select it, you are going to see that we have the AI mode availability. And currently, as I'm making this video, it is only available in the US. Okay, so if you're not in the US, you will not have that access yet. Like the video and then see you in my next video.